In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money in Steam with Google Pay. Adding funds to your Steam wallet is a quick way to check out faster and keep your game spending organized. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Steam account and that Google Pay is already set up with a valid card or payment source in your region. Start on Steam, either in the desktop app or in a browser. Look to the top right corner and click your profile. This is the small menu where you manage your account. If you use multiple accounts, glance at the username to confirm you're on the right one so the funds go to the proper wallet. From that menu, click Account Details. This opens the page that shows your store and purchase history, your registered payment options, and most importantly, your current Steam wallet balance. It's a good place to verify how much you already have before topping up. Now, click Add Funds to your Steam wallet. You'll see preset amounts you can choose from. Pick the amount that fits your plan. Keep in mind that wallet currency follows your Steam store country and funds are generally non-transferable, so choose the right currency and amount for your needs. If you're budgeting, smaller increments can be a smart way to avoid overspending. After choosing the amount, click Add Funds. This moves you to the secure checkout screen. Take a second to confirm the amount displayed matches what you intended to add. Small details like this help prevent mistakes and refunds can be limited for wallet top-ups. On the checkout page, select the payment method. Choose Google Pay. If Google Pay is available for your country and currency, it will appear in the list of options. When you select it, Steam will guide you through the usual Google Pay confirmation. You may see a secure Google Pay window where you verify your saved card or payment source. Depending on your device, you might be asked to confirm with your phone, fingerprint, or a code. Complete that prompt and let the page finish processing. Once the payment goes through, your Steam wallet balance updates often instantly. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page or return to account details to view the new balance. From there, you're ready to grab games, DLC, or in-game items without re-entering card details at checkout. If you don't see Google Pay as an option, it may not be supported in your region or for your store currency. Try using the Steam website in a browser, make sure VPNs are off, and confirm your Google Pay billing address matches your Steam country settings. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added money to your Steam wallet using Google Pay. Enjoy your shopping and happy gaming.